Jeez, I miss my brothers. First SRN got burned and DC got hit by lightning. I know, I'll play air horn drains. I gotta see if this thing actually works or not. It works fine.
5 minutes later.
I'm gonna go see my thunder baby. Madonna, don't do that.
That's what you get for making goo eyes at Thunderbolt.
Screw him.
Later.
Does Pete Hammond owe you 24/7? Yes, yes he does. Madonna.
Much later.
Dude, I'm effing sick of P50. Me too. Madonna, get out of here 2001.
Later.
Wow, that was fun.
The next morning.
Hey man, I heard 1003 scream.
I did air horn drains.